What's up, guys? This is Leader. Today I will show you this the 2030 DBT Nike Air Jordan Retro 5 Elephant Pretty Shoes here. This pair of shoes is the new arrive very delicious. So I may review this video for you guys. I hope you like it. Okay, here we go. You can see the top is make called the pretty, special pretty, elephant pretty. Somebody said this is out of the elephant pretty. Looks very amazing for this designer sparkling green. Sparkling green make all the toe. Yes, this part for Jordan 5 and the bubble special designer. The sole of Jordan in green and Jordan was in black. Okay. Here also have a Jordan, but the color is elephant pretty. Yes, you can see more clearly. Yes, Jordan with the gray match with the black. Yes, this black color. Okay, I'll turn on the inside. Okay, the this one has all the elephant. Yes, pretty. Yes, yes, letter on here. Also, it's made of green with the Jordan in double color. This part is very perfect. Our town also have a Jordan in green. Green embodied in green looks very amazing. And have the bubble with the transparent designer. Yes, this is the green colorway. That's quite perfect. Yes, with the black color shorty and this part. Wow, you can see the quality is really amazing. It's quite perfect. Perfect quality make all this pair of shoes and your life and the whole shot. Yes. Okay, friend, this is the video. Many thanks for your time to view my video. Goodbye, friends. See you next video.